Welcome everybody. In this short video we would like to show you how it looks like to confirm 200 serial numbers in a single barcode scan using scan4cloud for SAP Business ByDesign. On the left side you see the ByDesign system. Let's have a look on the put away task I have created up front. The task 1672 includes only one line item with a total of 200 pieces. The product P800-310 has been configured as a serialized product in the material master data. And on the right side you can see scan4cloud. I'm using a real device which is connected to my laptop. So let's open the inbound folder, and at the bottom we will see that the task 1672 is available. We can assign the task by tapping on the Take button, and now we can open the task. Let's start the confirmation by scanning the target logistics area. I'm opening the camera and the logistics area has been confirmed. And now we can scan the serial number barcode, including 200 serial numbers and the product ID. After some seconds, you can see that all 200 serial numbers starting from serial 1 to serial 200 has been added to the item. Now we are ready to send the confirmation to the ByDesign system by tapping on the Confirm button at the bottom left. After a couple of seconds, we will receive the task completion notification in scan4cloud. Let's refresh the view in the ByDesign system. We can see that the task status has been changed to finished. We can have a closer look on the confirmation details and can see that all 200 different serial numbers has been added to the confirmation. If you would like to learn more about scan4cloud, SAP Business ByDesign, or if you would like to see which other add-on solutions we have built, just visit all4cloudgroup.com for more information. Thanks for watching and bye.